That's
Mommy.
cantaloupe. You're welcome, baby. What are you eating, Emma?
I do.
A honeydew?
I do.
Honeydew.
I do.
Honeydew.
What's this?
That is a honeydew.
I do. What is this?
That's cantaloupe.
What is this?
That's kiwi.
Kiwi. What's this?
That's kiwi.
Do.
Honeydew. Say honey,
Do.
honeydew. Finn, what are you eating?
What's that?
Say honeydew.
What's that? A course?
Yeah, that's a car. You gotta eat your fruit. Can you say cantaloupe?
Carry whoop.
Say cantaloupe.
It's two. What happened?
Can you say cantaloupe?
Carry whoop.
Can you say kiwi?
Carry
Kiwi.
two.
That's honeydew.
I do.
And cantaloupe.
Carry whoop. What's that?
That's cantaloupe.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, was right.
Ear.